This website has paid over $7 million. Today, I'll be sharing a strategy where you will be paid with real money. Not points, but real money when you use this website. And you'll be paid directly to your PayPal account. Our goal is to make money online with no hassle. So I want you to stick with me until the end because if you rush to the website and not follow my steps, you could end up not earning anything at all. And we don't want that to happen. So I want you to sit back, relax, observe every step that I teach you so that you will benefit from this big time. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks to help you make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever we post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now, let's get back to the video. Alright, now let's get started with today's tutorial. This is the website that we will be using today that has paid out over $7 million to their members all over the world. I know you guys are already familiar with surveys. Now you might be thinking, oh, I'm going to do another survey? Man, this is gonna be boring. Well, lucky you because today in this video, you won't be doing that. Well, if you do want to make some surveys, you can actually earn money, but it won't be a lot. So I suggest you keep on watching because I'll be teaching you something new. Alright, if you scroll a bit down below, you can see here that you can take paid surveys. So some of these surveys will pay you $10, some will pay you $2, but you know what? Some can even pay you up to $14, and that's quite a lot per survey. All you have to do is share demographic information about yourself, and Vindel Research will match you to paid surveys. All you have to do is browse current surveys in a list on their website, or you can have them email you when surveys come in which you qualify for. So getting paid for your opinion couldn't be easier. Right here below, they say redeem your earnings by PayPal. When choosing your reward, select payment via PayPal and spend your earnings however you like. It's that easy. All surveys are worth real cash, not points, but real cash. They have a simple, user-friendly payment center, quick payment turnaround. With that said, if you don't have a PayPal account yet, you can just go over to paypal.com and create an account, and it's really easy to make one. So, what are you waiting for? Make an account now. If ever you have doubts with this website, you can see here above that they have a high rating on Trustpilot. There are a lot of people who love this website, as you can see. Now, if you see ratings that are like 1 or 2 stars only, then maybe those people did the wrong thing. I mean, this has helped a lot of people, and if they gave low star ratings, that means that they don't know how to do this correctly. So that's why I want you to stay with me. Again, I will be helping you go through all this the easy way. So keep on watching. What I also love about this website is that this is available on any device. This means that you can do this wherever you are in the world. You can take surveys at home or on the go. So, how are we going to make money by just watching videos and by not answering any survey? Well, before we proceed, if you like the video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. With that said, let's go back to the video. Alright, now what we'll need to do is go to the homepage of Vindel Research and then click on this Ways to Earn button at the top part of the screen. Now that we are redirected to this page right here, you can see that there are different ways of making money online with Vindel Research. As a Vindel member, you will only get paid online by taking surveys. Below, you can learn how to earn money online using several of Vindel's great services. You'll see here surveys, referrals, reward mail, and videos. If you click on videos, you'll see here watch paid videos and give feedback. You don't have to worry at all because it's free to watch this video. And what's great about this is that after you watch these videos, you're the one who's getting paid. And we're already watching videos on a daily basis. So this is like nothing to us. This is really easy. I bet that some of us here watch videos for like several hours a day. And you know what? This is a great way of making money online because aside from getting entertained with the videos, you get paid. I mean, where could you find that? Aside from getting paid for watching videos, you can also earn money by opening emails. As you can see here, earn cash for every email you open. Earn just for reading paid email. Opt into reward mail in your email preferences to open and view paid promotional messages. So Vindale Research will be sending you emails and you don't have to worry because you don't have to sign up for anything, you don't have to pay for anything at all. All you have to do is just open. Among all these ways of making money online via Vindale, my favorite one, as you might guess, is this one. By watching free videos online. We don't even need to watch the whole video. I mean, if you don't want to watch the whole video, you can just play it in the background. So while you play the video, you can do something else. You can play games, you can listen to music, or you can even do something like you can do your chores, whatever you like. Now, here, listen up. Aside from watching videos or opening emails, there's this one feature that Vindale has, which will help us earn double or triple. It will help us maximize our earnings. And that is, before we proceed, I want you to comment down below which country you come from so that I can make more videos of making money online that will work in your country. With that said, now I'm gonna tell you what will help us make more money. And that is referrals. Alright, let me show it to you. Now let's click on referrals right here. And then you'll see you get $5 for every friend referral. The more the merrier. For every friend you refer to Vindale, you get $5. All we have to do is convince our friends to join us. So let's tell them along the lines of, hey, I found this website where we can earn money by watching videos and by opening emails. Do you want to join me? I mean, you could just tell them that they don't need to pay for anything. All they have to do is sign up. Then if they open the emails or watch videos, they will then get paid. So this is a win-win situation because we will be helping them earn money, and then if they click on your link, your referral link, you will earn money. Okay, so let's do the math. If you invite and refer 10 friends, you earn $50, right? If you invite 50 friends, then you have $250. Now, in this video, I won't be only telling you to invite your friends, but we can invite other people as well. So if you invite 100, you earn $500. If you invite 1,000 people, gosh, that's a lot, you earn $5,000. The potential of earning money with this method is unlimited. Okay, so here's the thing. I could put my own referral link in this video description below, and let's say 1,000 of you watch it and a percentage click on it and sign up, then I could earn money. But I'm not doing that. I'm not going to put my link in the description below because my aim for this video is to help you guys earn money. So this video is for you guys. This is not for me, okay? So you can actually create a video explaining how Vindale can help you earn money online. And what you can do is put your own referral link in the description below so that people will click on it. Again, this is just one of the features of Vindale Research. You can answer surveys and earn $5 to $15 per survey. You can also watch videos, and after watching those videos, you can give your honest feedback, and by giving your feedback, you earn money. That's great. Aside from that, you can open emails, and by opening emails, again, you can earn money. So, in order to get started with this method, all you have to do is just go to Vindale.com and then sign up. There's a sign up button on the top right hand corner of your screen. You just have to click on that, fill in your credentials, and then boom, you're done. You can now start making money online with Vindale Research. And that's it! If this video helped you and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. If you have further questions about this method, make sure to comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!